Mansa house by Stemmer Rodrigues Arquitetura in Xangri-lá, Brazil. A completely ground-level, cozy house that would bring a sense of well-being and calmness to enjoy weekends. These were the owner's requests for the design of a 201 square meters house located in Xangri-lá, a city near Porto Alegre, for the architecture firm Stemmer Rodrigues. In addition, the team had the challenge of executing the project in just 6 months and intervening as little as possible on the terrain, while maintaining 100% of the large trees already existing on the site. To achieve this schedule in such a short time, special construction techniques were used, such as concreting the floor and subfloor in the initial phase of the work in a single step, structural masonry on which the exposed concrete slab was supported, dispensing with the use of gypsum ceilings. The house is located on a corner, which ends up generating a certain degree of difficulty in the work. Therefore, its layout starts from a sinuous line executed through a wooden panel, which separates the social area from the intimate area. 2 large horizontal concrete planes finish the minimalist and contemporary concept, while 2 other large glass planes, which open completely, guarantee integration with the outside area, while brises were added to ensure the privacy of the residents. Concrete, a widely used material, both in the structure and in the exposed slab, which extends throughout the residence, has guame leaves stamped, a native Brazilian plant widely used in decoration. Wood was also another element abundantly used in the project, such as in the brises and panels. These last ones, in addition to guaranteeing privacy, help in the sensation of well-being, coziness, and tranquility, breaking the coldness of the glass. The project uses sustainable techniques, such as taking advantage of the presence of cross-ventilation and minimizing the use of thermal conditioning and lighting systems. The lighting is predominantly indirect, valuing the architecture and creating drama in the environment. Specific pendants provide work light in the kitchen and dining area. The concrete and wood countertop has its own lighting, creating a light and shadow effect that enhances the texture of the concrete.